How to fix ChatGPT payment declined or failed issue. Is your ChatGPT payment failing or being declined? Here's how you can fix it. So first, double check your core details. So to do that, click on your profile at the bottom left and then select settings. And then from here, you'll find billing. So click on it and then you'll find billing information. So in here, you can go ahead and check out your payment method by scrolling down, and then you can go ahead and check your core details. So even a small typo in the number, expiry date, or CVV can cause a failed attempt. Second thing you can do is to verify your bank restrictions. Some banks block international or recurring payments. Call your bank and confirm they allow charges from OpenAI or Stripe. If your card keeps failing, try another method. Visa and MasterCard works best. You can also use PayPal or mobile billing if available. And then make sure your billing address matches the country of your card issuer. Mismatched regions often trigger declines. And that is how to fix ChatGPT payment declined or failed issue.